how to update your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or Ultra to One UI 8.5. So first, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down and tap on Settings. In Settings, we go down and tap on Software Update. Then tap on Download and Install. Now tap on Restart Now when you see this button. So if it's already downloaded for you, then all you have to do now is simply restart the device so that you can go ahead and update your phone. So it's quite a large file, 4.4 gigabytes, and tap on Restart Now, and it will proceed to perform the update. Now with the new One UI 8.5, you will have the AirDrop compatibility, so you can quick share to iPhone or iPad or MacBook. There is also a new Creative Studio. It replaces Drawing Assist and enables creating a unique AI stickers and wallpapers from your own photos, as well as having the new intelligent ad blocking, and you got the new storage share, allows you to remotely access your S25 Ultra's storage from other pair Samsung devices. Another thing is there is a new upgraded code screening, so an upgraded virtual voice assistant can intelligently answer calls and filter out potential spam. One more addition to the new One UI 8.5 is the camera and photo tools. It is upgraded with audio and auto erase tools. It enhances pollen ratings in the weather app and new weather animated alarm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.